So for this upcoming year in 2026, we're going to be doing a lot of traveling with the El Camino. We got almost 30 events on the calendar this year. I'm not making them all, but I'm going to try to make a lot of them. And last year we used my open deck gooseneck. We camped at the Freedom Factory in tents, and it sucked. So for Christmas this year, Santa didn't get it, but I got myself a new toy. It's a 99 United trailer. It's 36 foot. It's a 25,000 GVWR. It's all set up as a race trailer, and we're going to use this to haul and then use it as living quarters as we go to events. It's got a nice set of built-in cabinets. The guy that I bought it from had it custom spec'd out for him, but it's got a little bit of roof damage. Had an old repair that was done on this wall that kind of was done pretty shoddily, and ended up leaking and tearing some of the wood out of the roof. So I'm going to get this roof torn down and see about getting this thing all tidied up. I wanted to customize anyways, so it's really not a big deal. It's not going to take too much to take this off. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing torn down today and get a game plan for how we're going to make this thing the ultimate El Camino hauler for this upcoming season. Alright, so that's the roof stripped. Really not too bad. All the wood from here on is pretty good as I anticipated. So I'm really thinking I'm not going to touch the ceiling, like above the struts on the roof there. I'm just going to mark off where we're not going to walk on the roof. You still got, I don't know, 15 feet of walking space up there. I mean, it's a little bit rotten over there, but put some paint up on the roof if we want to walk around up there. We're just going to have some places that we can't walk. So I'm going to get this mess cleaned up here. And we're going to get some materials and start putting this thing back together. I want to try to coat these with some rust reformer. I think that'll help save them a little bit. Going to coat all the beams that are exposed metal, paint them up. Alright, so now there's a snowstorm outside, but I went out and got all the supplies that we need. So I got a whole bunch of furring strips, I got some insulation, and I got a whole bunch of coroplast that we're going to be using for the ceiling. It's like corrugated plastic. Got it from a friend of mine from a sign company. So we're going to start getting all this furred back out here. And every single one of these is going to get a 1x3 attached to it. That'll space it back down, give us our space for the insulation, get the insulation up in there, and then we can start putting our sheets back up. So I got a couple of screws that had rusted off, I got to cut off. But otherwise, pretty much ready to start putting the furring strips back up here. So, here we go. Alright, so all the rafters are furred out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the insulation. That went really, really well. Pretty happy with that. I got the wiring mostly tucked up. These are for the 110. This is 12-volt lighting. Nothing too crazy, just keeping it out of the way. It's just held up for now. Well, I guess let's get started on some insulation. So we're up to putting the screws in the middle of these panels to get the bow out of them. So what I figured is I want them dead center all the way down front to back of the trailer. So I got a screw down there and a screw down there, pull the string line tight. So I know that all of my rafters are 16 on center, so I cut myself a little spacer. And we're just gonna go 16 on center from every one and blast our center row of screws in. So let's get going on that. Cabinet back up, and I got it blocked up here on a stool, some milk crates, and some duct tape because I'm working by myself as usual. But I'm going to try to line it up back up to the old holes that are still in the wall, and it should go back to where it was, so hopefully we don't drop it. just fits in here. Just had to jack the roof up a little bit to get some clearance. Cabinet's back in, just gonna screw it back up now. So this is now the completed trailer, as of now. Got the ceiling all finished up, all the trims back reinstalled. Got the cabinets back in, put the ladder back up. Everything's kind of cleaned up for now. But so for right now, it's back together, and I'm gonna start using it and figure out from here what I want to change. But at least it's usable. I got a roof membrane that I ordered for it, and we're gonna do the entire roof skin. But I'm just gonna keep it dry for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm excited to see what we can change to make this thing even better. Catch you on the next one.